kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at your place. My dear kids, in today's activity, we are going to know about the yoga. What is the yoga? When we are celebrated the day. So, come, let we know what is that yoga.
International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day we are celebrated on 21st of June every year. The day will be marked at a time when COVID-19 pandemic continues to upend lives and livelihoods of people globally. Beyond its immediate impact on physical health, the COVID-19 pandemic has also exacerbated psychological suffering and mental health problems, including depressions and anxiety. As pandemic-related restrictions continue in various forms in many countries, the message of yoga in promoting both the physical and mental well-being of humanity has never been more relevant. Yoga is also playing a significant role in the psychosocial care and rehabilitation of COVID-19 patients in quarantine and isolation time. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yoga derives from the Sanskrit and it means to join or the unite, symbolize the union of body and consciousness. The International Day of Yoga aims to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of yoga practicing. Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline based on an extremely suitable service which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. Come kids, let us do some basic exercises or asanas of yoga. Let us come do Sukhasana. Sukhasana easy pose is a simple cross leg sitting as in a hatha yoga, sometimes used for a meditation and Buddhism and Hinduism. It helps to open the ankles, good for back muscles and spine. You have to sit proper, take a deep breath, hold and release. Take a deep breath, hold and release. It is very beneficial for stretch and external aspects in terms of quality, stillness. Very good for the back muscles and for the spine. Next is Tadasana. Tadasana is mountain pose, is a foundation of all standing posture and helps decrease anxiety by improving breath control and enabling you to feel. It helps in correcting your posture and improves your balance by making your spine more alert. It helps in increasing the flexibility of your ankles, thighs and joints. You have to take your hands up, take a breath, hold you and release. Next is Balasana. Balasana, the child pose as a direct impact on the nervous and the sympathetic system, easy stress and vigilance, keeping the mind quiet and calm. All should be back. You have to sit like the baby, crawling, hands back, neck should be forward. Next is Trikonasana. Trikonasana, a triangle pose, is a standing asana in the modern yoga as exercise. It helps to expand your chest and shoulders. It provides stamina, balance, energy, and develop your focus. You have to open your feet till your shoulders. Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana or cobra pose is a reading back bending asana in a hatha yoga. It is commonly performed in cycle of Surya Namaskar. Stretch chest and lungs, shoulder and abdomen. Tone your buckets. Open the heart and lungs. It is a pose like the cobra. You have to lay on the, put your hands back, fold your legs backward, head should be straight. Take a deep breath, hold and release. Now the same exercise will be done by the kid named Bhavika. This is very good for the kids. Fold your legs upwards, hand should be back and neck should be straight. Take a deep breath, hold and release. Very good, Bhavika. This is all. Keep doing, keep practicing.
My dear students, hope you enjoy the video and asana done by me. Keep doing, keep practicing at home. Let us know what are the benefits of the yoga. Yoga boosts children's esteem. Yoga increases children's body awareness and mindfulness. Yoga increases the strength and the flexibility in the children's. Yoga teaches discipline. My dear kids, you have to do regular at your home, practicing the same, some basic asanas. Hope you enjoy it. Now, the word of the day. The word of the day is awareness. Awareness is knowledge or prescription of the situation or fact. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है जागरूकता. Question of the day is, when we are celebrated the Earth Day? We will meet soon in next coming videos. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe. Keep doing practicing. Bye-bye.